The first thing we're going to do is remove the seats from the machine. In order to do that, you have to remove 5 fasteners. There's going to be 2 bolts in the front, located here, 2 nuts behind the seat, and then 1 bolt that holds the seat belt on. And then disconnect the seat belt plug on the driver's side. Once you remove all that, you're good to go to take the seat out of the machine. The next step is going to be to drill our holes in the pre-marked divots located here, here, and also here. Install the Nerf bar. Now we're going to insert the bolt through the hole in the Nerf bar, which is going to go through the curved washer which is resting on the frame. Once the bolt goes through the frame, take your other curved washer and install it to the frame. Then install the nut. Reach between the frame rail and the outer plastic to install curved washer. Reach through the skid plate to install curved washer and nut. Now we're going to show you how to install your front and rear tubes to your Nerf bars. You're going to want to get one of your clamps, place one portion of the clamp onto the Nerf bars, take your tube, fit it in there like so, take the other portion of the clamp, install it, and then fasten it using your hardware. Be sure that the flat portion of the front tube is facing towards the plastic of the machine. The rear tube is going to install to the Nerf bar exactly the same as the front, using the clamps and the provided hardware. You may wonder what this hole here is for. This is if you wanted to go to SuperATV's full protection kit, but today we're just going to be installing the Nerf bar, so we're going to take the provided end cap and hardware and install it into the hole. When installing the rear tube, you want to orient it to follow the lower tube on the Nerf bar. Repeat the same steps for the passenger side and then reinstall your seats. So that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's Nerf bars on this Can Am Maverick X3. For more information on these Nerf bars or any of SuperATV's awesome products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.